5415 West Harmon condos. That's a major street right there. Of course, we're on the first floor here. Unit 1139. Oh, it's a puppy. So the front door actually looks pretty nice. Schlag lock. The walls in here, this first room, are like a yellow sherbet. These are not the blinds we typically recommend, or ever recommend actually. We always change these out to 2.5-inch forward blinds. That wall looks like, okay, I can't get this open, but you have a little patio here, and that's the parking out front. It's a brownish color. Cabinets are white, nice stone counters, industrial style sink, gooseneck faucet, stainless steel appliances and cabinet pulls. Nice. Upgraded light fixtures. A little office area that looks like a futon, so they probably use this as a sleeping area as well. You need 2 blinds in here, and of course there's no privacy, but you can put shades on those if you want. Tile for the washer and dryer, which is great. This is fun. Another thing is, keep in mind for long-term rentals, you have to replace things like for like. So if anything breaks on this, you have to replace it with something equally expensive and similar. The walls are gray in here. Replace that drain ring is about $65. Little coat closet. There's no light kit on this fan. It doesn't turn on. We need blinds here. The paint in this room is fine. Honestly, I can't really tell what color it is. I think it's a little minty green. This is a bigger closet than I expected. Oh, okay. Interesting. So maybe you can also put side by sides, but it looks like they maximized the space there, the way that they stacked it. Nice size closet. Looks pretty efficient. Get some blinds up there. The condition of this flooring looks really good. Changes to tile in here. It's a little eclectic, but everything looks like it's in pretty good shape, except for that drain ring, another $65. Okay, I'm gonna see if you guys are here now.